Welcome to the special craft video of Janmashtami. Today I am going to teach you how to decorate a handi. So here you can see a picture of the handi. You will get the worksheet in Google Classroom. You will have to print it out and then you will have to color it. First, after coloring it, you have to fix it on a cardboard. You can see a cardboard is here, or you can use chart paper also. Whatever is available to you, you can use that. We'll use this sequence to decorate the handi with the help of glue. We'll need a scissor, we'll need the thread, and we will need the cotton for making the makhan out here. So now let us begin. See, I have fixed the picture of the handi on the cardboard. So now what we are going to do is, parents, please assist your children in doing this. So we will cut the entire handi shape with the help of the scissor. Okay, so let us begin. You can see I have cut out the piece of the handi. It is now a sturdy handi now. Okay, it's a strong handi. So now we are going to decorate the handi with the help of sequins and glue. So let us start decorating. I have applied glue over there, and now we are going to put the sequins on the glue. So like this we will fix all the sequins with the help of glue. Now you can see I have decorated the entire handi with the help of sequins and the stickers. You can decorate your handi the way you want it. It's just a representation how you can go about. Now it's time to fix the cotton on our makhan out here with the help of glue. So let's do that. Our cotton is fixed on the makhan as makhan. So now it's time to use our thread. So for that, parents, please kindly help your children with this. So we will need to do holes over here and over here. Okay, so we'll do the holes with the help of a scissor. Now you can see, after making the hole, I have tied the string over here, okay, and secured it at the back. Okay, I've tied knots on it, on the back of it, and now our dahi handi is ready. You can see the dahi handi. So you have to make it properly, and you have to send us the videos of the activity done by the children. Parents, please assist your child in cutting off the handi cutout. You please cut it out for them. Let them just decorate the entire thing, and the tying of the string also can be done with the help of parents. So happy Janmashtami in advance for everybody. We hope to see lots of videos and lots of innovative handi decorations. Thank you.